The 2021 conference is going to be different this year compared to previous years because we've completely reinvented the format. Instead of having an event at a single point in the year, we're planning a whole program of interactive online events throughout the year. So using technology to continue to bring people together at single moments in time, but also having content that's there to be accessed by people when they want to. So kind of on-demand content that people can get to whenever they're ready to do so. Our tutors, teachers and educators can expect a whole range of events this year. There'll be kind of social events and interactions where they can really come together and talk to each other. We still think that idea of community is really important and we want to support that. There'll also be kind of brilliant new workshops and CPD events, including with cultural institutions like Saatchi Gallery, Chatsworth House and National Gallery Scotland. We've already tested this format this year. We've already moved many of our events, which would normally be delivered in a face-to-face way. We've taken them online. They've been received really well. We've been able to reach more people, which was part of the intention. The process for finding out and signing up for these events will be really simple. We'll include lots of communications about events that are coming up in our newsletters, so sign up for those. And there'll be a dedicated section on our website for Teach Inspire Create. It's live now, looks really terrific, and you can find out everything you need to from that kind of one single place.
We're really excited to explore the opportunities that technology affords us this year and to continue to strengthen our creative community online. We hope to see you at some of our events.